I went to try to...
Jatend migao mar ohala kod dongruok mag kembe sirikand kaunti ma Siaya otony lwet MCAs mayande chano thiche oko e apisi. Grace Agolla otony bang' od bura rwako ripot manyo pedhe gi komiti manyocha timo ne nonro. Agolla nyocha itudo gi tim mag ketho kata time mag ketho chik kod tiyo e yo ma ok oluwore gi chik. Kata kamano ripot mar komiti moyiedhi olero ne od bura ni jatelono ne okwayo ng'uono. Od bura oyie kod ripodno kendo ng'uono ne jatelono.
The matter powers of this house to pass, to forgive. Noting that the CC member for Trade, Enterprise, Cooperatives and Industrialization, Grace Agolla, acknowledged responsibility, showed remorse, apologized, and asked for leniency, the House resolves as follows. 1. That within 14 days after the adoption of this report, the CEC member for Trade, Enterprises, Cooperatives and Industrialization, Grace Agolla, together with other officers responsible for non-payment of pending wages, market cleaners and casual workers, be censured by the House in the presence of market cleaners and casual workers whose wages have not been paid. 2. Within 60 days after the adoption of this report, the CEC member for Trade, Enterprises, Cooperatives and Industrialization, Grace Agolla, to ensure that casual workers and market cleaners are paid their pending wages, and that she reports to the House before 30th of June 2025, being the end of the financial year 2024-2025, failure to which the Assembly shall resume the impeachment motion and severe sanctions shall be meted against all other responsible officers.